Hello humans. If you think about to control your home appliances using IR remote control, so you are at the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to control your home appliances using IR remote control. So without wasting much time, let's start. First of all, what we will need is IR receiver TSOP1738, IR remote control, Arduino Uno, some jumper wires and relay board PCB. After that, we have to connect our IR receiver to our Arduino like this circuit diagram. After connecting our IR receiver to our Arduino, what we have to do is just go to the Arduino IDE and write some code. And this code you can copy from my description. Just upload this code to your Arduino and open your serial monitor. You can open your serial monitor from the right side here. So after uploading your code, what we have to do is just to keep your remote control in your hand and just to press any key. I press 0 and I get this value. So what is this value? This is a basically value for your remote button which you have clicked. This is the signal values for your remote control button. So I click 0 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So just clear output and try again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we got these values for our buttons. This is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these values are basically for your remote control signals which generates from your buttons. So just minimize this, and now what we have to do is just connect your relay board to your Arduino like the circuit diagram, and after this connect your power supply and your appliances to the relay board like this diagram. And you can get these diagrams from my description also. So after connecting your home appliances and relay board to your Arduino, which what we have to do is just go to the Arduino IDE again and write some code. So this code you can get from my description also. This code is basically for your control your relay board with your IR remote control. So here we wrote a loop for the switch case commands. So what we have to do is just open the serial panel, and you can see here first key. First signal is for a 0 button. Just copy this value and paste it for this case. Paste. Now open it again, and this is for the relay 1. When we click button 1, this relay will switch on or off according its status. If relay is on, it will switch off, and if it is switch on, it will switch off. So this is for the switching on or off your relay. Just copy the value here for the cases and just close your serial monitor, and now upload this to your Arduino device. Let's wait for the uploading. And yes, it is uploaded successfully. So now let's see what happened when we click our IR remote buttons and to switch on or off our light. So to see that, we have to jump from our PC screen to the physical device structure. So let's switch over there. So I connected all our components with each other according to the diagram. So let's see what's happened when I click 1 or press 1 on this remote. So just click, boom, yes, bulb is on and it's working. So let's press it again, and yes, it is off. It is working perfectly fine. So that's all, friends. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you find any problem, comment down below. And thank you, friends. Have a nice day.